All right, here's your project for this section. I wanted to extend our mortgage calculator like this. So just like before, we enter three values. Let's say 180,000 for the principal, 4% for the annual rate over 10 years. Now see what we get. So I've added this section, mortgage, and under this section, we have monthly payments, which is set to this amount. So this is just a slight change in how we're presenting this value. Now below this, we have a new section, payment schedule. And this shows the remaining balance after each payment. So if I contribute this amount every month, after the first payment, our balance is going to be reduced to this amount. After the second payment, our balance is going to be reduced to this amount, and so on. So here we have 10 years, 12 months in each year. That means we're going to have 120 payments. So as we go down this list, we can see the balance is getting closer and closer to zero, and finally it reaches zero. Now, to calculate the remaining balance, you should use this formula. I found this on this website, mtgprofessor.com/formulas.htm. So let's see what we have here. L represents the loan amount or principal. We need to multiply this by this expression. So here, first we calculate the monthly interest. So C represents the monthly interest. We get this value and raise it to the power of n, where n is the number of payments. So if you have 10 years, we have 120 payments. Then we subtract this from this expression. Once again, here we add 1 to the monthly interest, but we raise it to the power of p, where p is the number of payments we have made. Finally, we need to divide this by this other expression. Once again, c is the monthly interest and n is the total number of payments. So spend 15 to 20 minutes on this exercise. Make sure to review your code. Make sure your code is clean and maintainable. You'll see my solution next.